2 Kaizer Chiefs, 1 Mamelodi Sundowns. Isukile indeed Mzansi. Isukile. One last night's game surprised everyone. It caught us by surprise. No one expected those results. Good game from Kaizer Chiefs, from Wabasuke, from 1-0 to 2-1. Good goal from Tebo Mukwena. Tebo Mukwena was my man of the match, by the way, yesterday. He performed like nobody's business. Good game from Thabo Cele to make sure that he bullies Mamelodi Sundowns, each and every player, to make sure that they lose focus, they lose concentration. Good game from Kevin Simango for defending. He did so good. He did wonderful for defending. Good game from Orowen Williams. You see that save that he made of Gaston Sereno. I can conclude by saying Igame Izolo was well balanced. Yeah, of course, Mamelodi Sundowns was owning the game. They owned the game, but good character from Kaizer Chiefs players, coming from 1-0 to win the game. You can see that Nyan, even if Soros did not make that mistake, Kaizer Chiefs was attacking like nobody's business. Good technique from also Coach Nabi, how he handled everything, how he introduced Umdudu Shabalala. But I was so worried to see him keeping Upulemot Izol and substituting Ulilepo. I wanted Lilepo to remain in the game and see, because you see those long balls, long passes. And I also questioned Mamelodi Sundowns for not fielding, Coach Mamelodi Sundowns for not fielding Kekan. You see, for not fielding Brad Kekan. There is Malbongo Kaizer there. So I feel like the coach made a huge mistake for choosing Suarez in such games. You know, we will never take away the fact that Suarez is a good defender. He's a good player. He does he's exceptional. But that game needed an African, South African vibe. Needed. You see. So I want to tell me your prediction. We will see Soweto Derby. For the first time in a while, to see both Soweto teams competing, going straight to the final. It's been a while. It's been a while we last saw that. So what is your thought? What do you think? Boom. See you on the other side.